Welcome back. In this episode, we're tackling one of the biggest challenges in any business, unlocking your company's hidden intelligence. For us, that meant training an AI on 22 years of documents, email support tickets. Real institutional knowledge that's usually trapped in files or people's heads. Today, I'll show you how we built our own AI-powered brain, a true intelligence layer, just like DocSpot or Cassidy, but trained on our systems, our products, our client history. Now, anyone in our team can ask a question and get an answer that actually understands our business context. So here's the big idea. We created a central AI assistant that sits across all our systems, knowledge bases, CRMs, project management, even support. So every answer is always relevant and up to date. The process is simpler than you think. Your first step is to gather your knowledge. Collect all your company knowledge, policies, training guides, product documentations, historical emails, everything that defines your business operations. For an organization like ours, which is ISO 27001, 14000 and 20000 certified, this was very easy because you have all the policies and procedures and data in place already. I understand for other organizations this may be a little bit harder, but the information is out there and you will be able to find it. Organize this data into clear categories or folders. The more structured your info, the better your AI will perform. Step 2, set up the AI environment. You'll need Claude Code to get started. You can find the URL in the video notes below. We strongly recommend choosing the Max plan, as it unlocks all the advanced features you'll want for a robust company AI. Please note we are not paid by Claude Code and have no affiliation with Claude Code. We simply use it because we think it's the best tool out there to do this job. Claude Code is your co-pilot throughout this process. It writes code, explains each step, and even troubleshoots for you. No specialist developer skills are required. To host your AI model securely and easily, we use Docker. Docker makes spinning up all the necessary components, Claude Code, vector databases, and user interfaces, fast and hassle-free while you are developing. If you're new to Docker, don't worry. Claude Code provides step-by-step instructions for setting up your computer as a temporary web server for your building your application. Just follow its prompts. You'll be up and running quickly. The third step is to train your custom AI using Claude Code to create scripts and prompts that ingest your company data and train your model. You can train your data on anything, from company documentation, knowledge bases, websites, videos, etc. The prompts are in there to create these interfaces to allow you to do this. You will use Claude Code to train the AI on external data sources and even data within the Everything app itself, such as responses to support calls, submitted tenders, etc. So the AI intelligence grows as you use the system. The more you use it, the more intelligent it will get. And remember, you will need to carefully map out what documents and data sources to include and decide how your AI should respond and set permissions on each AI chatbot you are creating so sensitive data stays protected within your organization. The beauty here, Claude Code will build this all for you. To make this easier for you, as I say, we've already included the actual prompts we use to get our system up and running and have included them in the notes of this video. Check the notes below for these ready-made prompts to speed up your setup. Once you're set up, anyone can ask your AI questions about your company policies, product details, client history, anything. The system updates as your business evolves. Simply add new documents or data. But as I have said, the main advantage to 10x your organization is that it integrates seamlessly with your Everything app modules. In the next video, we'll show you how this intelligence layer connects directly to your first module, your CRM module. It'll write emails, research clients automatically, and make every customer interaction smarter. If you're ready to build your own company brain, start by collecting your knowledge and setting up Claude Code and Docker. Remember, don't worry. Claude Code will guide you every step of the way. All links and resources are in the notes below. Subscribe now and join us as we bring true business intelligence to life, one module at a time. The next video will show you how to build a CRM system. Thanks for watching, and now a word from our prehistoric sponsors.
Yes! Okay, I don't actually know what I clicked, but now all my work systems seem to agree with each other. This everything app does everything. I wish my kids would get along this nicely.